Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again. Today we want to do a question paper, and remember we are in this very holiday, that is August holiday, and let's now keep revising the past papers during holidays until we reopen the institution. That is now when we are reopening. That is on 9th September 2024. That is the date we are opening the institution. Now, we have closed the institution on 1st August, and we shall resume or we shall reopen the institution on 9th September, inshallah. So now let's come back to class again, and let's continue with our class during holidays. Let's revise more papers. For those who have got computer laptops, please make sure to look for a computer whereby you can revise your video tutorials. Now let's come back. So now we want to start with this question paper, and this is a question paper. This is a neck question paper, and it was done on the year 2015. And the task we want to do, this one is computer application 2, practical, paper 2, and it was done on July 2015. And we want to do task 2. Unaona, this one is task, task 1. We want to start with task 1. So before we start task 1, as you can see, this is a application you need to create, whereby you open or launch the publisher, MS Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. Then you create this publication, and this publication you save it as offer. You save the publication as offer in the next exam folder. And remember, the next exam folder, some of you guys know how to create the next exam folder. That one I don't want to repeat again. Let's now start. So before we start, we must have gone through the introduction of desktop publishing software, that is Microsoft Publisher. A desktop publishing software, popularly known as DTP, is a specialized program used to create publications of professional quality using a computer. A publication like this one, this publication is called Offer. You use this one to create such publications. And DTP, what is a DTP? DTP stands for Desktop Publishing Softwares, and these ones are used to create publications such as newsletters, textbooks, brochures, newspapers, calendars, and flyers. But today, inshallah, we will be doing this publication, as you can see in our question paper. Now let us start. First of all, you need to open the program. Now the publisher, you write MS Publisher, or you write Publisher. Then you click Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Then now you need to go back to the question paper. The question says, open a desktop publishing program. After opening, now you make the following default settings. Page orientation unaweka landscape, unaona. Paper size unaweka A4. Then you click more blank pages or blank page size, una click hapo. Then unapata more blank sizes, page sizes, unaona hapa hivi. Then you take A4, unaona A4, yes, wamesema A4 landscape. Let's go back to the question paper. Inasema nini? Paper size ikue A4, orientation ikue landscape, that is A4 landscape. Tunachukua A4 landscape, which is this one. Unaona this one, we click this one, A4 landscape, click that one, then we click create. Now we start creating the publication using the default settings, such as A4, which is now the paper size, the landscape, which is the page orientation, that is A4 landscape. We are using A4 landscape to create this publication. Now let's start. The first thing now, as you can see in the question paper, unaona hii question paper venye unaona this one, as you can see on the question paper, the way you can see, angalia question paper vizuri, this is a rounded rectangle imechorwa hapa, unaona, this is a rounded rectangle imechorwa. So now we need to draw this rounded rectangle, and then inside this rectangle there is a pattern style. We need to fill that pattern. Unaona hivi, there is a pattern. So now let's go back to, let's now create the publication. First of all, let's now draw the rectangle. Which one? Rounded rectangle. Then unakuja hapa kwa insert, you click insert. Unakuja hapa kwa pictures, unaona mahali pictures, then you click auto shapes. Unaona hapa auto shape, then unakuja hapa basic shapes. For those who are using Microsoft Office 207, are we together? First of all, you need to click insert. Unakuja hapo picture, then unachukua auto shapes, then you click basic shapes. Unaona hapa, unakuja hapa basic shapes, then you click rounded rectangle. Unaona hii ni rounded rectangle? Yes, we are going to choose this rounded rectangle. Click this one, then let us draw it here. Okay, now that is how you draw. Let's now delete. Let us zoom. Let us use zoom tool. Why are we using zoom tool? In order to magnify publications view. Zoom tool are used for magnifying publication view. Let us use the common features of DTP softwares. The common features of DTP softwares, the most DTPs provide the user with a variety of tools for designing, manipulating, and editing publication. You know, there are following tools that are common in most DTPs. Which are the common features of DTP software? One is the select tool, the other one is text tools, the other one is shapes tools, the other one is the zoom tool, and the other one is rotate tool. Let us now use the zoom tool in order to magnify our publication view. We are using for magnifying publications view. Let us zoom. Click hapo. Let's click view. Let us now zoom. Tunakuja hapa zoom. Tuna zoom like 150. 150 imeenda sana. Let's now take another one. Let's zoom like 100. Hiyo pia imeenda sana. Let's zoom like 75. Yes, I think 75 iko sawa hapo. Now, let us now try to draw this rounded rectangle. This is a rounded rectangle you need to draw. Unaona hii rounded rectangle? Inside this rectangle, which is called rounded rectangle, we are going to apply or fill the pattern. Unaona? Sawa. Now let's draw. Unakuja hapo insert. Unakuja picture. Unakuja auto shapes hapo. Unachukua basic shapes hapo. Unachukua hapa rounded rectangle. Then you draw the basic shape here called rounded rectangle like this. Okay, pole tu. Yes, now you have drawn. Sasa umechora. After drawing, now you need to apply pattern. Unaona hapa hivi? Let us now apply inside. Unaona? Then click hapo inside, click inside the shape, the basic shape which is called rounded rectangle. Then you go to format. You can go to format, whereby you can even click, let's now click, you can even click auto shapes if you want it. You click auto shapes, then you come here. Unaona hapa mahali ya fill in the color. Unakuja una click hapo, then unasema fill effect. You click hapa fill effect, then you get the pattern here. Can't you see this is a pattern? Yes. Now let's go back again. You click inside the rectangle, the rounded rectangle. Then you go to format, you click here auto shapes, then you click, unakuja hapa fill kwa fill color, unachukua fill effect, then this is where you get the pattern style. Then you click pattern style. So now, then which type of pattern style are we selecting? We select this one. You click that one. I think that one looks like this. Are we together? If you see the question paper, go back to the question paper. Does it look like that? Somehow. Sindio? Let's take the other one. Let's take this one. Yes, I think this one looks like that. Ukiangalia hii ndo inafanana kiasi. This pattern style. You take any pattern style. Let's take this one. Then click OK. Then we click OK again here. Now we have applied pattern now. So after applying now pattern, now let's close this pen here. Tumefunga hiyo. Now let us now start creating the publication. Let's go back to the question paper here. Now as you can see here, this is a shape. This is a basic shape rectangle. This is a basic shape called rectangle. Imechorwa hapa. Unaona hapa Mwamko City College, whereby the font size is font color ni white, Now this one is font color is white. So and this one is also you use this shape to insert from stars and banners. So now let's start. Unakuja hapa, you click hapo, then you start now drawing the shape. You click insert, unakuja picture, then you click hapa auto shapes again, unakuja basic shapes, then unaanza kuchora rectangle. This time round you take rectangle. Sasa then unaanza kuchora kutoka hapo, from here up to here. Are we together? So after drawing from here up to there, then again you take it from here again. So unaona bado iko hapo, you click here, then you draw it from here again. Good. Now what you are supposed to do here is to fill in the color. Which color are you going to fill in? Black. Before you fill, we need to group these shapes. How do you group it? You click inside, then unashika control, then you click again here inside the other shape, then you right click, then unasema group. You click group. Unaona hapa hivi group, then yeah. So the moment now ukipeleka hivi inaenda pamoja. So unaona ukipeleka hivi, that's why we do what is called grouping. Unaona inashikana. Unaona inashikana, haiwezi toka. It cannot separate. Unaona these shapes cannot separate, inashikana. Because why? Because nimegroup. So unaona? Now let tupeleke mahali ilikuwa. Yes, ilikuwa hapa. Yeah, by using Control plus Z, that is to undo, using keyboard shortcut Control plus Z to undo. Now we click inside for us to apply inside the shape, for us to apply the fill in the color. Then we click format again, or we click auto shape. You can even go as well to color, fill color, or now we can click inside. Let's click inside again, then tunakuja hapa color, fill in the color. Unaona hapa hii fill in the color, una click hapo, unachukua color ya main black, that one then you click inside again this one, you click inside again this one, unachukua fill in the color black, like that, as simple as that. So now what we are supposed now to do here is let's go back to the question paper. We are supposed to write here Mwamko City College. Sasa now let's write this one. How do we write it here? We click inside this first one, first rectangle, we right click, tunasema add text. Sasa then what are you supposed to write here? You are supposed to write here Mwamko City College in capital letters. That is, it should be uppercase. Sasa then Mwamko City College, let's write Mwamko. Why are we not seeing what we are writing? Because the font color is white, is black. Let's apply the font color white. The font color is this one. Can't you see this is the font color? This is the font color. Tuweke black, tuweke white, tunaweka white. Sasa yes, Mwamko City. Let's write now Mwamko. Sasa tunaona imepatikana. Inaonekana sasa Mwamko City College. Tunaandika Mwamko City College like that. Let's go back to our question paper. Mwamko City College. Now let's resize the font size now. Control plus A, tuna highlight, then tuna resize the font size until where, then paka hapo. I think this one is enough. Mwamko City College tumeweka paka hapo. Then after that now we apply to the alignment, center alignment tunaweka Control plus A, Control plus E. Control plus E ni keyboard shortcut ya kuweka center alignment. Sawa. So now your text iko kwa center alignment. Are we together? Now let's continue the question paper step by step now. Now as you can see now, this one is the font type is in Time New Romans. Tuweke like Time New Romans kama iko sawa. Iko sawa already. It is in Time New Romans. Now let's now write the other text now. The other text is this one. Which one is that? Offer for term 1 2011. Offer for term 1 2011. Offer for term 1 2011. Unaona the text direction hapo? Yes, let's click now add text here. add text. Yes, uki add text unaona inapatikana huko. So what you are supposed to do here is you are going to apply text box. What is a text box? You know text box ni nini? You are going to use a text box or a text frame. Sawa. Now let's click insert here. Now click hapo text box. Unaona hapa hivi text box hapo. Then unachora hapa text box like this way. Then unafaa kuandika nini? What are you supposed to write here? You are supposed to write here offer for term 1 2011. Offer for term 1 2011. Offer in capital letters, offer for term 1 2011. Then you highlight control plus then unaweka font size ikuwe kama ilikuwe kubwa. Then you are going to use one of the very important common features of DiffTP softwares, and that tool that is common in most DTPs is called rotate tool. You are going to use a rotate tool. So let us rotate this one. Yes, let us rotate this one. Good. So now let's drag and drop here, tupeleke huko the other side. Wacha tupeleke huko the other side. Yes, good. Now kwa nini haionekane? Kwa sababu ya font color. Tuweke font color like, tunafaa kuweka font color like white. Yes, good. Sasa imeonekana. You can see very well, inaonekana vizuri. So that one now inaonekana. So let's now, acha tupeleke hapo. Let's now resize kwanza up to there. Yes, now control plus A, tuweke font color like white. Let's apply font color white. No, let's apply font color white. Then let's drag and drop. After rotating the text, we drag and drop. Are you together? Yes, as simple as that. Now from there we click inside. Unaona hapa hivi, we click inside, tunapeleka juu kiasi. Are we together? Now let's continue. So now tumeandika offer for term 1 2011. Let's go back to our question paper. Yes, as simple as that. Now let's click inside again, like right click, then we format text box again. Okay, iko sawa. There's no need. Let's click format again. Okay, there's no need. This one also. Okay, let's continue. Now you are supposed now to write this offer. How many times? 3 times, using the text box. So you can as well use the text box, or you can click inside the rectangle, then you right click, unasema add text. So are we together? Then from there unaweza pata hapo, you can write it here. Let's write it here, offer in capital letters. I mean offer, then offer again, offer again, then offer again, then control plus A, then tunaweka font size ikuwe kubwa. Let us adjust the font size ikuwe kubwa. Let us adjust the font size ikuwe kubwa. Wacha tuweke font size ikuwe kubwa. Okay, let's try now to adjust the font size. Yes, ikuwe kubwa. wacha 28 is enough sasa. Sasa now let's now continue. Let's continue now. Let's continue. Yes, tupeleke center now. So this one is supposed to be center alignment. We highlight alafu napeleka center. Sasa like that. Let's proofread the document. Ignore iko sawa. This one also ignore iko sawa. Okay, now let's continue. Then you click enter. You need to write now this one a discount. This one a discount. What are you supposed to write? You need to write the other one. Let's go back to the question. You need to write this one a discount of 20% on packages. This is nice packages they are offering. A discount of 20%. A discount of 20% on packages. A discount of 10% on 20% on packages. Let's go back to the question paper. Let's write a discount of 20% of 20% on packages. On packages. Okay, now let's go back to the question paper now. Question paper ilafaa ikuwe bold. It should be bold. Yeah, this one it should be bold. A discount of 20% on packages. That one it should be bold. We highlight it. We highlight the text for us to apply for me to apply the bold. Click bold. So now you highlight and then you click bold. Sasa. Now let's continue with the question paper. So now we are here now. We are supposed to draw this shape, and this phase we are going to draw from where? From the stars and banners. These are star shape. Unaona? Ni kama 16 point star. So unaona? Then let's go back again to our publication. Okay, let's now draw. Before we draw, let us adjust the font size. This one tuweke like font size like 18 so that tupate space ya kuchora. This one hapo tuweke like 14. Tuweke like 14 tupate space ya kuchora. Are we together? Yes, I think this one is good to go. So now we click inside. Acha tuweke like font size 16. It will be a bit good. 16 it will go sawa. Okay, okay, sawa. So now let's continue. Right click, ignore this one. Also right click, ignore this one. Sasa now let's now tuweke font size ikuwe kidogo hapo. Tuweke font size like 16 or 18. 18 is somehow better. 24 iko sawa. Good. So now let's continue now. Okay, we are supposed to draw this one. Click insert. Unaenda kwa picha, unakuja auto shapes, unakuja hapa kwa stars and banners. Unaona hapa hivi stars and banners, unachukua ya 16. Unaona hapa 16 point star. Unachukua hiyo 16 point star, unachora hapo. I think this one looks like the one which is on the question paper. Yeah, you draw it like that way kwa question paper. Very simple. Are we together? So let's now tuweke hapo chini. Let me just draw it here. Yeah, sasa. Okay, now ukiwa umechora hivyo, what are you supposed to do here? You are going to apply inside, there's a color there's a color you are going to apply. Which one is that? Black. You click inside, you go to format, unakuja, or you come here, you click inside the shape, you come here, then you take color gani, which black. you can fill in the color. Which color are you going to fill with it? Click hapo ndani, unakuja hapa. So unaona hii ni fill color. Una click hapo, una fill na color ya black. Sasa, then from there, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to draw a text box. Unachukua tu text box hapo, alafu whereby unaandika hapa. What are you supposed to write here? 20%. Unaandika 20%. Unaona according to the question paper. Unafaa kuandika 20%. Unaona venye ina rotate. You need to rotate. You are going to use a text box whereby you rotate. Unapeleka kwa hii shape alafu then you rotate 7000. Unaona venye imeandikwa? Yes. Unaandika 20% like this. Click enter, then 7000. Then from there you go back to the question paper again, unaweka 7000 like that. That's how you are supposed to write, the way venye iko question paper. Unaona? Yes, as simple as that. Then click Control plus A. No, you click Control plus A, you highlight, then unaweka font size ikuwe kubwa, then unaweka bold. So unaileta hapa, you drag and drop here. So then from there you're going to apply which color? Font color. Unaweka font color ya white. Unaona? So that ionekane vizuri. Sasa then una drag, you just rotate it like this way. Unaona? Yes, it should be like that. According to the question paper inakaa hivyo. Ukiangalia question paper inakaa hivyo. Sasa now what are we supposed to do again here? We are going to apply chevron. These are chevron shape from the block arrows. Let's now insert this chevron. These are the two. This offer is for former students of the college. Unaona hii shapes inaitwanga chevron. So tuweke chevron. Tunakuja hapo where specifically. Tunakuja wapi? Unaenda kwa insert, unakuja picture, where specifically, auto shapes ndio unakuja, block arrows. Iko kwa block arrows. Chevron. Unatafuta chevron. Chevron iko wapi? Ndio hii. Unaona this is called chevron. Can't you see this called chevron? This one is called chevron. Alafu unachora wapi? According to the question paper, unachora hapo. Yes, unafaa kuchora hapa. Good. Alafu Control plus C ni kukopi, Control plus V unaweka ingine, unachora ingine pale. Alafu you drag and drop. Yes, using arrow keys. Ukitumia arrow keys. Good. Now you click inside, you change the shape, unaweka, you fill in the color black. This one also you click inside, you fill in the color black. As simple as that. So now let's continue now writing. You are supposed now to write something here. What are you supposed to write here? You are supposed to write here, this offer is for former. This offer is for former. According to the question paper, let's go back to question paper. This offer is for former students of the college. Let's write that one. Former students. Now we are going to use a text box here. Sasa, let's click here inside text box hapo. Tunachora hapa text box for us to write this text zote paka hapo. Sasa, let's use the text box, please. Okay. Now let's write. We are going to use text box to write. Let's write. We are going to write what? This offer is for former, click enter, students. Students of the college. Now Control plus A tuna highlight yote, alafu tunaweka font size ikuwe kubwa. good, as simple as that. Alafu then from there you need to write here again. What are you supposed to write here? All those who pay, andika, let's write all those who will pay not less than 50% of the total amount. All those, let's write all those who will pay all those who will pay all those who will pay not let's now tupeane size kidogo mpaka hapo. Who will pay not less than 50%, 50% of the total amount. So now you use the text box to write that one. Okay, I think this one now we are done. So now let's continue with the question paper again. So now we have inserted the chevron, we have already written everything. Now it is time for us to insert this rectangular shape. First of all, we are going to insert the rectangle shape. After inserting the rectangle shape at the corner of this rounded rectangle, from there now we are going to insert text using text box or text frame. Sasa, now let's first draw the rectangle. This one is just a normal rectangle. Unakuja una click insert kwanza, unakuja hapa shapes. If you are using, for those who are using Microsoft Office 207, una click insert, unakuja hapo picha, alafu unakuja auto shapes, unachukua basic shape. Sasa then unachukua hii normal rectangle ya kwanza, unachora hivi. Are you together? Like this way. Alafu you rotate the rectangle like that way, unapeleka hapa, unaleta hapo. So unaona hapa hivi? Yes. As simple as that. Sasa now let's write text inside this rectangle. Sasa how can you write this text inside this rectangle? By drawing text box. Unakuja hapa text box kwa hii kona, unachukua hapo, then unaanza kuandika text box hapo. Unaanza kuchora hapa text box, alafu unaandika hapo. How many stars unaweka? Go back to the question paper, unaweka 1 2 3 4 5 stars. Hapa ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 stars. So kwanza unaweka 5 stars alafu 7 stars. Sasa 1 2 unashika shift pamoja na number 8. Sawa, 1 2 3 4 5 alafu then you write desktop publishing, then alafu unashika shift na number 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sasa stars zikuwe 7, then click enter. Again, go back to the question paper. You need to write how many stars? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Na ile ingine 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ya kwanza ni 7 na ya pili ni, yes, tuweke 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Alafu tunaandika computer aided design, computer aided design. Then naweka 6. Sasa how many stars? 6. Nashika shift number 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sasa then click enter again. Go back to the question paper again. So you are supposed to write how many stars here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 stars na 11 stars ya kwanza. Sasa 7 stars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, alafu hiyo ingine ni 11 stars Then animation, unaandika animation, alafu how many stars unaweka 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wacha tuhesabu hapo 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7, unaweka 7 saba. Shift alafu number 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, click enter. Alafu then what are you supposed to write here? Photography. Unaona photography ni ngapi? How many stars? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, alafu lingine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Hii ingine ni 7 na hiyo ingine ni 7. Ya kwanza ni 7. How many stars? 7 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Unaona? Alafu then you need to write what are you supposed to write here? You're supposed to write photography. Sasa yes, tuandike photography. Tunaandika photography, tunaandika photography. Sasa alafu tunaweka how many stars? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Good. Now control plus A, tuna highlight yote. Let's adjust the font size ikuwe kubwa kiasi. Yes, tukuje hapa sasa, we just drag and drop it here. We just click hapa inside, tuna drag and drop, tunaleta hapo, then we rotate using rotate tool. Tunatumia rotate tool. Yes, tunaiweka ndani ya hii rectangle. Sasa good, as simple as that. So now I think we are done so let's give it space now. Tupeane space. Hii ingine space pia tupeane space. Hii ingine space if it is possible, ama haitaonekana. Yes, okay, I think this one is good so now inaonekana. Let's click inside, control plus tuweke font size kubwa kiasi. I think this one inaonekana good, iko sawa photography. Sasa now we are done tumeweka kila kitu. So now what are we supposed to do here? Let's go back to the question paper again. Good. Now let's go back to the question paper now. This is our question paper. Now you are now told to draw a straight line. So now in a straight line, we are going to write to draw a straight line here. Then below this straight line, tunaandika easy text. So using text box or text frame. Are we together? Let's now draw. This one is very simple. Unakuja hapa. You can either take this one, the straight line, or you can go to insert. Unakuja hapo. If you are using Microsoft Office 207, unakuja picha, unachukua auto shapes, ndio unakuja lines, ndio unachukua hii line. Sawa, una click hapo. Sasa then unashika shift for you to draw a straight line. Remember to draw a straight line using shift. Unachukua shift, unashika shift hapo. Unaona hapa hivi? Yes, that's how you draw. Good. Then after drawing this shape, then you are going to format the shape. Sasa you click inside the shape, you right click, unasema format auto shapes, then unaweka kama ngapi, I mean una style unaweka kama ngapi, like 3 points. I think 3 points is enough tukiweka. Yes, this one will be good. Ama let's change, let's format the shape again, tuweke like for example 4.5 point. Ile itakaje? Yes, 4.5 point is good to go. Now from there, let's now draw the text box. Tunachora hapa text box. Sasa hapa chini. Yes, hapo. Unaona hapa hivi? Ndio tunafaa kuchora text box. So what are you supposed to write here? You are supposed to write here to book, comma, we are supposed to write here this one, to book, call us on, to book, call us on, then click enter. So unakuja hapa tena unaandika these numbers plus 254, unaandika plus 254 plus 254 plus 254 plus 254 8421 8421 01 77 7. So unaona, so go back to the question again, plus 254 940 plus 254 940 plus 254 940 plus 254 940 254 940 940 55, then again 55, then again 55. So let's go back to question paper. 55, then 55, then again 55. So okay, now let's apply font size, tuweke kubwa, then tunaweka bold. So tunaweka bold because the question paper ni bold. So unaona, as you can see the question paper, go back to the question paper because it is in bold. Sasa, now I think the question paper, we are done with creating the publication, whereby we have inserted the chevron according to the way you see. Yes, and we have already inserted now the 16-point star, that is a star shape. From the outer shapes, we have also inserted the rectangle shape. As you can see, inside this rectangle we have written text using text box, text frame. We have already done with this rectangle, whereby we have drawn, tumechora hii rectangle, tumeweka pattern, unaona, and this one already we have already done, whereby we have already now also we have also drawn also the straight line. As you can see our publication here, I think we are done. So what we are supposed to do here, the way you can see this question paper, we are done. What we are supposed to do here is a very simple work we need to do. Hebu tupeleke juu this one kiasi mara moja. Okay, I think we are done with this question paper. So now let's go back to our question. This is our question paper. As you can see, it should the publication should look like the way it should appear on the question paper. Remember, this is a publication we are creating. This is not a PowerPoint presentation program. So this is a Microsoft publisher. A Microsoft publisher, you must always design publications such as newsletters, text box, brochures, newspapers, calendars, and flyers. This is just an offer. Any offer. So we are done with creating the publication, whereby they are told to create publication to appear as shown in sample one, ensuring the design covers the entire printable part of the page on an A4 paper size. Tumechukua A4 paper size na tukachukua orientation ya landscape. Sasa according to the default settings. Sasa now this publication looks exactly the way my publication looks. Are we together? Yes. Now we are done. We are done. The only thing now we are supposed to do here is to save. You need to save the publication as offer in the next exam folder. Then we need to print out later the publication using the printer, the Epson. Sasa, whatever model you use. Sasa, now let's preview tuone kwanza. Let's save kwanza as offer. Click hapo, file, alafu then save. then we need to save first of all then tuna click desktop hapa. Unaona hapa desktop, tuna click hapa desktop, tuna click offer in capital letters. I know most of you guys knows how to save a file. That one sitaki kurudia. Using keyboard shortcut, you can also use keyboard shortcut to save your file. Control plus S, that is a keyboard shortcut. You can as well go to office button by saving the file for the first time. Control plus S, then click save. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Kulikuwa na ingine? Yes. Good. I think we are done now. What we are supposed now to do is to print preview, because they are telling us to print out the publication. We are done now with question C1, question C Roman 1, whereby we saved as offer in the next exam folder. Then we are already done with question A Roman 1 to make a landscape orientation. Na Roman 2 paper size to make a A4, whereby already question B to create publication. We are already done with question B. Sasa C ndo tumemaliza, tumesave as offer in the next exam folder. Now you are told now you are also asked to print out later the publication. That one if we are connected to a printer, but now we are not connected to a printer. Meanwhile, let us know how to create the publication first. Inshallah, during holiday we are going to see some of us how to print documents like this one, these publications I mean. Sasa, so now let's go back to our work, original work, this one. Let's print preview the document. Go to file, print preview, click print preview hapa. Okay, this is our work. Unaona hapa hivi venye inaonyesha? Yes, unaona venye inaonyesha hapa? It is somehow different. Unaona? Somehow different. Okay, let's go to, let's take the paper size. Let's take let's take what tuweke zoom. We have used the zoom tool. Tuweke 50%. Let's print preview now. So unaona bado inatuonyesha hivyo. Let's now tuweke 75 venye ilikuwa. Let's tuweke 100. Let's print preview. So unaona bado iko hivyo. Now let's now print preview to tuweke 75%. Yes, tulikuwa 75%. Now we have saved the document. I think we have saved the documents. Okay, this is now how we are supposed to create the publication. Sasa, now let's go to format again. Tuende kwa format. We don't want to format the publication. Page options, tukuja hapo kwa page options. Page options, I can see iko sawa. I think everything is good to go. Sasa, everything is good to go. Let's click page options, publication options. Ndio hiyo. We can as well change the paper size. You can change the paper size. Tuweke ilikuwa A4 landscape, si ndio? Unaweza weka anyone that is your choice. Sasa I think this one tenye tumetumia yetu ilikuwa A4 landscape. Sasa yes, yenye tumetumia is this one. Unaona? A4 landscape ndio tumetumia. You can see it properly. Hii inaweza fanyika tu kwa A4 landscape. Unaona? Unaona zote ziko hapo? Yes. So yetu tulifanyia A4 landscape. Let's now, we can also as well apply the margins. If they ask you to apply the margins, you can click advance to apply margins, the width, hizo zote, but this one is not necessary for now. So now we have done with the question paper now, and inshallah we will continue from where we have stopped. And if you can see the print preview here documents, we need to do some page setup whereby if we are going to print, unaona inakata hapo. Yes, because of the some settings. Unaona unafaa kufanya hapa some settings whereby, but that one we are going to do inshallah when we are going to resume again for printing. Sasa now let's start. You can take this one. Let's take this one again. Uone, let's click OK. Uone, so unaona venye imekuwa. Yes, before Then let's now print preview uone. So unaona venye hata inatoka bado tu inatoka the same way, unaona. Now let's click say no. Okay, this is now our work. Iko hapa, kazi yetu iko hapa, offer. Tulikuwa tumesave as offer. Sawa. Okay, now we are done with our question paper now. This is the offer now. Click here. It is here now. Okay, now we are done with our question paper. So now this is our work. Today we have done it, and inshallah we will continue with the next lesson. And when we are printing, hopefully we are going to print this document and it should show us different. So for now today we are done with our work, and inshallah I will show you how to print these documents using printer. And this holiday, make sure you revise a lot of tutorials. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.